In this tutorial, I will show you how to use ClickUp for a real estate CRM. First, open ClickUp and log into your account. Go to your home dashboard. Choose the space where you want to set up your CRM. Hover over the space and click the three dots. Select Template. Click Browse Templates. In the search bar, type Real Estate. Look through the available CRM templates. Choose a template that fits your workflow. Click Use Template. Enter a name for your CRM workspace. Customize any fields or sections if needed. Click Use Template again to apply it. Your real estate CRM will now be created. Open the new workspace to explore it. You will see sections like Leads, Deals, and Follow-ups. Add your client information and property details. Update task statuses to track progress. Customize fields to match your business needs. Use automations to manage follow-ups and reminders. That is how you use ClickUp for a real estate CRM.